Hello, everyone. This is Congressman Jamaal Bowman in New York 16th District. I'm here in Ardsley with a bunch of incredible supporters. Our election is June 25th, 2024. Make sure you are registered to vote. Make sure you know the date. Make sure you know the early voting dates, the mail-in ballots. We need you to absolutely come out and vote. This election is about freedom, justice, and equality for all of the people here, but also people around the world. The people in Gaza we are fighting for, the end of carnage that's happening there. We are fighting for people in Pakistan, and wherever there is a lack of justice and humanity, that is what we are fighting for. So if you care about justice, you care about freedom, you care about equality, you care about saving democracy and creating a country that works for everybody, please support us. Make sure you are registered and you know about June 25th, 2024. We need a permanent ceasefire now. We need a release of the hostages in not just in Gaza, but also in the West Bank. We need humanitarian trucks, hundreds to come in to save the starvation and the famine that is happening right now. We have to end that, and we need a pathway to peace and justice. Thank you so much.
What's up, sir? How you doing, brother? More people. Back, man. What's up, man?
To like, comment and subscribe.